Today, let's pack for the portable atomizer. All are good size and easy to carry, and put in your handbag and pocket. There are 3 items. This one is a travel, and this one is a particle, and the rest of atomizer is the others on Amazon. Then today, let's compare of these 3 bottle refill atomizer. Let's check how to use this atomizer. First, take out this cap, and then let this button. Second, let's compare their outlook. Travel cap is aluminum, particle materials is metallic, and others materials is plastic. Then others can't be taken out. We can see travel and particle. The bottle can be taken out, and their bottom is different. Materials is different, but we can see the particle. The bottom is high transparency. Second, let's battle for the spray effort. The first one, travel. Second one, particle. And the last one, the others. We can see they produce a nice spray that is white, and you can get good sprayed perfume. But the others not so much, and bread it tended to sort of dribble out of a little bit. You must know the price. Travel price is $18, particle price is $5, and others price is $3. So we can see travel price is most expensive. At last, let's summarize. The travel, the cost is highest, but with good quality. The particle, the price is nice, with good quality, and others price is cheap, but quality is not good. By the way, the particle can change many colors caps, like this. So, I prefer particle better. I buy it from